right, today we're gonna bring some actually foots for your actually furniture or any moving stuff that you have. So I have some wheels. I took them off, and they come with the threads that you can actually screw in. They give you a pack with them, and of course we're gonna screw them in here on all 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't want the wheels because I want this to be fixed somewhere. So we're gonna set them up in here and screw them in and see how they look. All right, if you guys can see, they're stabilized now, and this is my rack that I'm gonna actually go underneath the table. I don't want it to be moving around. I took out the wheels. I have this all around. Now the footing. Now the footing's very good all around. I like it. This is something I'm gonna keep going. I'll put it on, and I'm also gonna put them on some other furniture. I got 2 more of these that I'm gonna fix them. I don't like it to be moving around with the wheels. I really don't like the wheels, so that's why I ended up putting them here. Perfect update. So they're 1/4, all right, by 18. So if you're looking for something like this, hope you guys enjoy the video.